Here's how to make images move in CapCut PC. First of all, you need to add your photo into the timeline. So go ahead, import the pictures and drag the picture to the timeline. Select the photo and go to the top right panel, ensuring that video and basic are selected. Find position and size and click on the diamond icon to add a keyframe and to mark the starting point. Now adjust the image position and zoom as desired for the beginning. Then move the timeline cursor to where you want the movement to end and change the image position and zoom again. A new keyframe will be automatically added. Repeat this process for each movement that you want to create. And finally, play back your video to see the image move between the keyframes that you've set. Keyframes make the image movement possible. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.